Okay, what I need is a new telezoom piece that goes right there. This piece is broken. That somehow goes into here, and the actual knob itself is broken. This is for the HG10, and that piece needs a new I don't know what you call it, but it needs a new piece there. Need a price to fix that piece right there, and then obviously put it back together. I took it apart. I've still got all the screws and everything else, just need that piece right there. I'm gonna send some pictures to you as well.